Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so that way you stay notified of when I upload, because y'all know right now my upload schedule is kind of weird, kind of off right now. Today's video is going to be my third update for my project pan, my 7 summer flings or 7 mini summer flings. I will admit this month that I have not made much progress, only because I either haven't been wearing makeup for one, or the other reason is taking pictures. This month was kind of like Savannah's birthday month, like that back half of the month we were kind of celebrating beforehand, and Shane had like a mini vacation, so I was kind of wearing my go-to like foolproof makeup, so I wasn't reaching for my project pan items. I did use the blush, I think, and I did try to stick to using the mascara, and of course I did use the eyeliner, but as far as lip products go and the highlighter, I really didn't use that, and the foundation, I really didn't use that. So you guys will see the progress. Let's just jump right into this. I don't know, I'm probably close to being done with it because I'm not seeing much more product coming out. I don't know, I'm so ready to trash this, but I'm going to still use it until, you know, the project pan is over. Let's go with this lip product. This one is the Urban Decay one. It's already like drying out. I put the Tarte Maracuja drops like so many times in this to try to like whip it and make it, you know, nice and smooth and creamy, and it just keeps drying out. So I'm going to go ahead and call this one done. I'll try to scrape a little bit more if I can, because I have been using this kind of as an everyday shade, because it is like it's kind of like a nude shade, like a rosy, dusty nude. So I'm still trying to like hang on to this and use this as much as I can. I'm going to show you guys my powder products. I tried to get pictures so that way I can get a side-by-side, but there's no way that I can get a good enough picture to show you guys the dips that are in these products. I don't even know if my camera's going to pick it up, but on my e.l.f. highlighting side, I did hit a little bit of like slight side pan, and I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. I don't know how my camera is going to behave, but it's all alongside right here. It's the slightest side pan. Maybe if I cast a shadow over it, you guys will see it just a little bit. I have this weird dip going on. I'm trying to create shadows so that way you guys can see, but I do have like quite a bit of a dip going on in the front, and I just don't know. I honestly don't know how to showcase that on video camera and on my phone. Even though it's like has really good quality, I just cannot capture that shadow that I need to. Okay, this one is my Balm Cosmetics Balm Springs in Full Swing Blush. This one does have a dip in it, and again, it's one that I just cannot get across on picture, and I don't know, I'm trying to cast shadows again to show you guys that there is a dip in there. Not sure if you guys can see. I can see it because I know it's there, but I don't know. I'm not going to be able to insert the pictures, which sucks, but I tried, you guys. I tried. Alright, so here's the foundation. The line did not move. Like I told you guys, I either wasn't wearing foundation or, oh my goodness, is it going to focus? Or I was using my go-to foolproof products. Oh my gosh, it just does not want to focus. Keeps trying to focus on my face or something, but I'm still down here on this bottom line. But I'm sure now that everything's kind of slowed down, Savannah is going to start preschool. I'm super excited and nervous at the same time. So hopefully I'll be able to wear makeup and do more like videos and tutorials, or get ready with me's, whatever's, stuff like that, and I can start using my products more and hopefully pump out more videos. Now let's go on to the things that I'm tracking on my little notebook right here. The Tristique Matte Crayon. I am so surprised I even made the slightest bit of progress, because honestly, I haven't reached for this one. I haven't reached for it since the last check-in, but there is the line right there, that green line. I hope you guys can see it, but that's where I am right now. See if I can, right there. Okay, and then let me roll this back down. For the Smashbox eyeliner, I've been kind of using this every day, so The progress, again, not too shabby. There is the progress that I have right now. So excited. Isn't it crazy? I'm kind of excited to use it up, but I know I'm going to buy the full size. I don't know. I'm weird. So that is it for this super quick update. My last update is going to be in September, towards the end of September. And then I'm going to start another project pan in October. If you are project panning or anything like that, I love watching those types of videos. So, you know, let me know down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.